Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Another DIY for you today. So before I start, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. I always say I love comments. Criticism, I also take criticism, which is great. So today's DIY is going to be another mirror wall decor. It's going to be black, silver, and turquoise. I know a lot of people, they love turquoise, and I chose turquoise today. So I'm going to tell you all the pieces that I am using in this DIY. So what I did is I took a cardboard and I duplicated it and then I glued it. So to make it nice and thick and very sturdy, it's rigid cardboard. And you know what? You can take that at the Dollar Tree, those cardboards, glue it together. I make a circle, of course. And this one is 18-inch, and I chose a 12-inch mirror. So I took the liberty, I took the cardboard, I painted it black with black acrylic paint. And I took a 12-inch mirror, glued it, and like I had mentioned it before on my other video, that to glue my mirror now, I use this Gorilla Construction Glue adhesive. It is absolutely wonderful, and I save my E6000 glue for other things, but this is perfect to use for my mirrors to glue on any surface. And of course I use hot glue gun also to glue it. So of course today's DIY is a cardboard. I'm using a 12-inch mirror. And then we're going to use the sunflower mesh wrap. These are beautiful little sunflower, silver, of course. And the beads I'm going to be using this is at least an inch. These are the turquoise ones. And I'm also using, I'll tell you about this one. This plate here, this is wonderful. I do so many things with this. It's crazy. So I cut little pieces, like it's the same thing as my bead. It's the same measurement. So, and what I do to make round circles is I use my little Cricut. My little Cricut is 2.54 centimeters, which is 1 inch. So you get those at Michael's, and sometimes you're lucky to get them in the second-hand stores. I've got lots of little Cricuts at the second-hand store, which was wonderful. And I think I have a whole box full of these things, which is great because you do all kinds of designs. And as myself, I'm going to do this for a living. So I love doing crafts. I love doing creative stuff, and the people love it also. So I'm very happy, and I have great comments. And so without further ado, let's get started. And am I missing anything? Oh yes, one more other thing. Of course, I use my glue sticks. And for this DIY, I have to mention you could use just the regular glue sticks. You don't have to use the Gorilla, because plastic on cardboard or plastic on plastic, it works fabulous. So you could just reuse, and I get those at Walmart. And I get the 100 of them. And of course I have my glue gun. And my beads, I chose turquoise since my beads are going to be turquoise. So I'm going to put that around the mirror. And then the finale is these small little burst of beads. They're just tiny little things. And you could get those with, those are balloon blasts, by the way. They're extra sparkly. And these, you get those at the dollar store. Us here in Canada, it's Dollarama, but that's where I get those. And in the States, I believe it's Dollar Tree. We have a Dollar Tree also, but these beads, I get them at the our dollar store. So that's going to be the finale. So without further ado, let's get started. So I took the liberty of gluing my mirror onto the cardboard. I painted it black, and I'm going to start putting beads around my mirror, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, welcome back. So as you see, I put all the beads around the mirror, the turquoise one. And my next step is the sunflower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all around the beading area, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, welcome back everyone. So I put the sunflower all around the turquoise beads, and this is how it's coming out. It's coming out really, really, really nice. Now my next step is going to be the plastic pieces. They're pretty sturdy, I have to say. And on the other side, of course, it's black. But you know, they have those kind of plates at the Dollar Tree. You have silver and you have gold. And I notice if you want little pieces, you know, at the Dollar Tree, they have poster boards that you can take the color that you want, and you could glue it on there, and you can make all kinds of nice designs. So this is what I do. If I want different colors, I buy poster boards and I glue it on these, and it's fabulous. And what happens is with the crickets, I have every size. I have the very, very small one, which is 5/8 of an inch. I have the 3/4 inch ones, and then I have the inch ones, and then I have the super duper ones. I think those are 1.5 inches or 2 inches, the big ones. And I also have the square ones, the large square ones, small square ones, the triangular shapes that I did my other video. What I did is I went on Pinterest and I went and got, I looked at the geometry forms and I print those out. And then after that, I take that piece of paper, put it on a cardboard, and then that's going to be my template. And this is what I use for these things. So you could use any geometry forms, you know, and then after that, you just copy it on here. Wonderful. So now my next step, I'm going to glue this on here. I'm going to go all around, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, welcome back everyone. So I will show you what I did. So as you see, you have the turquoise beads all around the mirror. Then you have your sunflower all around. And then I put the silver things, and you see there's just a little space in between. It's not very, very much, but you'll see just a little space, and it turned out perfect. Turned out very, very nice. Now, after that, I'm going to put my turquoise beads. So, but I just want to show you how I'm going to do that. So you see these two pieces right here? I'm putting them right in the center, but I'm going to put it right on the edge of the cardboard. I don't know if you can see that. So between these two here, I'm going to put my bead, and I'm going to put it towards right at the edge. And I'm going to do that so forth in the middle of each two. And I'm going to go all around, and I will see you when I'm done. All right, welcome back one more time. So I want to show you what it's looking like. Of course, you got to take the excessive glue off. It makes it much nicer. And then I shine it all up at the end. So basically, this is what it looks like. So it turned out pretty good, as you can see. Very shiny. Turned out really nice. So now what I'm going to do is right in between here, these big spaces here, I'm going to put that small little acrylic gem that I was speaking to you about. These are very tiny little things, and it fits right there, right at the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it all around of the beads, and then that's going to be the final product. So I will see you at the end of my beading. All right, everyone, welcome back. So I have put all the beading all around next to all the turquoise one, and you see this is the final product. Turned out really, 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 really nice. And you know, these decors that you can choose the beading you want. You can choose a black, gold. You can use royal blue, purple, pink, green. It doesn't really matter. And by the way, these beads, these large beads, I got them at Michael's. And these I ordered them online. And AliExpress is really, really good for if you do a lot of crafts. I buy a lot of stuff for AliExpress, Amazon, eBay. And then these, of course, these are at the Dollar Tree, which is wonderful. And cardboard you could get just about anywhere. And if you want to use a harder surface, you could use the panel canvas, or canvas panel, whichever way you want to call it. And my mirrors, I order those on eBay. So they have really, really, really good prices. And I hope you really enjoy this video. It turned out really, really, really beautiful. Really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me your comments. And I will see you on my next DIY. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.